Hi guys, today's tutorial is a firework stamping featuring Leighton Denny products. The Leighton Denny polish that I'm using is from the Modern Bohemia Autumn Winter collection. This one is Dreamcatcher. It's a sort of burgundy polish with a green shift. It's a beautiful polish. I've applied 2 coats over my natural nail. And then I use the Born Pretty Stores 184 stamping plate and use the Firework image with the Barry M's Gold Effect polish and the Creative Shop Stampers Hollow Glassy stamper, and then I literally just stamp this image onto the nail. I use the Sienna Roses Plump It Up gel top coat to finish off the design. If you like my tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.